Hi and welcome back to the Cheeky Crypto Podcast. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another podcast video. And in today's podcast video, we've got some pretty sizable news and a project that I want to touch on. I think people should go away and do some research on. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Don't forget to jump down into the Discord. Link is in the description of the video. It's absolutely free to join. Over 7,000 people supporting one another navigate this space safely. It's a fantastic community and definitely worth immersing yourself in. Right. Let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start here, and Binance to shut down its Australian derivatives services. Australian residents will no longer be able to open derivative positions on Binance. So basically Binance is terminating its Australian financial service license. Australia residents will have until the 21st of April to wind down open positions. Binance CEO ZC indicates that only 104 clients would be impacted by the change. Apologies, because when it's my my accent makes it sound like I'm not saying ZZ's name correctly. It is just my accent. I am saying it correctly. I see everybody calling me out on it. But yeah, like, it is what it is. Crypto protocol Layer 0 raises $120 million at $3 billion valuation. This is a project that I think people should definitely go and take a look at. Layer 0, remember that. This will be probably one of the earliest videos you hear about this particular project. I will link this in our Discord for you to read through at your leisure. Not ledger. Crikey, I've got ledger nanos on the mind. Decentralized cryptocurrency markets threaten US security, the Treasury says. And this is in a new report, and it lays down the foundation for regulations, enforcements of DeFi markets. And look, everything at the moment is negative when it comes to cryptocurrency out of the US. The US seem hell-bent on removing the ability for people to be able to utilize cryptocurrency, be that DeFi, crypto exchanges, and so forth. And yeah, look, I think that a lot of these individuals need to get with the times. This doesn't have to be a threat to the US. I mean, like Russia and China and, I guess some other countries, Africa, the countries in Africa, could also be a threat to the US. I mean, just look at what's happening to the US dollar right now. There's many countries moving away from the US dollar. And look, I think that crypto isn't the cause of this. It's the people in charge in the US that are ruining, basically the opportunities and ruining the country. And I think we're going to see probably one of the biggest defeats in US history at this rate, because they're doing all of this damage, in my opinion, to themselves with some of the poor decision making. And unrelated to crypto, not really politics, but we're going to see the dollar collapse at this rate. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. If that happens, I think the price of crypto is going to go sky high. We've got Bitcoin bull predicts crypto will be trading higher this year. So again, really interesting, that these bulls are saying that, crypto is going to be, going up in value this year. I agree to a point. But I do kind of see crypto having a new lower low, or at least retesting the previous lows. I think that it's artificially inflated at the moment. And, you can see this in the wallet counts and stuff that Nick covers on the main channel. we've got an awful lot more pain to fill before we get to where we, truly believe that the prices can go. And I think, by the end of the year, we could see new highs to what we've seen in the last year or so. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on all of that. I am interested to get people's opinions. We've got Chinese state insurance firm launches 2 crypto funds in Hong Kong, according to reports. So this is a 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗍 investment management, and they're launching the 2 crypto funds. So this is really interesting stuff. We've got the details here. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 Capital, with the implementation of incentive policies related to virtual assets by the Hong Kong government. 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗍 Investment Management HK Company Limited and 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 Capital jointly launched a digital asset fund. And I think we're seeing, what resembles fantastic adoption at high level in cryptocurrency. And I think this is something that we're going to see from a trend perspective that continues. Now, one thing that I do want to talk about is we have, an awful lot going on in our Patreon membership. Check the links in the description of the video. We've got our buys, our sell alerts, trade ideas, TA on request. We've got airdrops and all sorts of different things going on in the Patreon membership. So go check that out. If you enjoyed today's podcast, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a podcast video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.